Right there, right there.
Where are these little bitches? Santa's been drinking this Christmas.
You know what to do if we have to panic. There's lots of options.
All right.
So many options. Santa, give me some presents right now.
I'll give you this dick.
Literally, you're sticking out.
All right. Moving.
No. You gotta. Yeah.
Here we go.
Well,
I know.
No.
It's okay.
You're worse.
I don't have. Oh God.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to hide. I'm trying to blend in.
Okay, I don't think it's gonna get better than that.
Just blend in. Just blend.
Hold on. Ah!
Is that like a? Is that like? Is that a sneeze fail?
Yeah, I was thought I was gonna sneeze, but it just came out as a scream. Oh, it actually helped, though. I don't need to sneeze anymore.